Rain taps the window like it used to when you'd sit quiet by the glass. I found your scarf tucked deep inside my coat, still holding that soft trace of you. Time moves slow when your ghost walks through the room. I turn back every season just to hold you once more. Let the world blur into nothing but your hand in mine. You were the calm in every storm I couldn't outrun, and I'm still standing here waiting for a sign. Streetlights blow through puddles on the road, same shade as your eyes that last night. I didn't say what mattered most then, now the words just echo in the dark. Time won't heal what it never got to touch. I turn back every season just to hold you once more. Let the world blur into nothing but your breath on my skin. You were the truth I was too scared to speak out loud, and I'm still standing here hoping you'd come in. Maybe love's not lost if it's still alive in me. Maybe you feel it too wherever you are tonight. Would you turn back every season just to hold me once more? Let the years fall away like leaves in the rain. You were the home